Mr. Sinha, you know, I'll take you through again, sir. And I'm sorry, somewhere down the line, many would suggest one shouldn't say it on national television, but I would reckon the content of the FIRs, the allegations are so shocking that it's revolting to say the least. Sir, would you reckon if, especially if there's a POCSO case, would you reckon there should have been an imminent arrest if these were the charges against this man?
Preeti, thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak on this very sensitive and very important issue of the national, affair. See, this situation is very unfortunate. Certainly, there is no doubt. There is no doubt. Doubt is not there. But my point is why this situation has arisen. See, my point is very clear. Everybody is equal before the eyes of law. If a person is with national importance or a common man, a beggar, and everybody is equal. So these, wrestlers, they have won the medal. That's very good. They are girls. That is also very important. But now the entire situation is basically turning into a different, turning into different picture. Why I'm telling you? So such type of allegations were made. Then some investigation was on, and then the sports minister Anurag Thakur also took the cognizance. He formed a committee. That committee was basically headed by also a very important Olympian and well-known face, Mary Kom ji. And he after constitution of this matter, he gave this matter that this statement that no. So we will certainly take action, whatever is possible. But my point is, this report also were not, relied upon.
Sir, I'm going to ask you a direct question, Mr. Sinha. I'll ask you a direct question. Everybody knows the chronology of events. As a senior advocate who practices in the Supreme Court, sir, if you have a case where 7 women, including a minor, have gone on to suggest that he groped their breasts, that he came on to them, he asked for sexual favors, he said he will only buy you a supplement if you succumb to having physical relations with him, that he pulled up their T-shirts, ran his hand from their breast to the stomach and down.
Don't repeat all this.
Why not, sir? It has to be repeated. Why not repeat all of this? It has to be repeated. It has to be repeated so many times that it burns into the memory space of people.
Everybody is aware of what the charges are.
Therefore,
I'm
repeating all of this.
My point is,
sir, my point is, I'm repeating all of this
to ask you. Just a minute. All these charges were made clear before the Honorable Supreme Court of India in a closed envelope, and Supreme Court of India also Honorable Chief Justice and 2 more judges. They also went through the entire list of charges, and after that they gave the instruction to this
to file an FIR.
To Delhi police
to
Delhi police that file an FIR and investigate.
Therefore, as an advocate in the Supreme Court, Mr. Sinha, I'll ask you a direct question.
I'm telling you. Let me
ask you that question.
I have understood.
What is the question?
Okay.
I'm saying as an advocate in the Supreme Court, if these were the charges, this is a case that came to you, would you not consider this as an imminent arrest, yes or no?
No, because the Supreme Court has given Supreme Court has given clear instruction to the Delhi police that file an FIR and investigate. Filing FIR means it should be followed by the investigation, whether the charges are true or not. And I only put my point very clear in front of that. In 2006, Sukanya Singh rape case was constituted against Rahul Gandhi, and after that Supreme Court said that nothing doing. Close this case, and after that nobody is talking about that. But Sukanya rape case is there, and Sukanya and his family is stressless. Nobody can find where they are. But my point is that if Supreme Court has said something, for Sukanya it's okay, but for these girls it's not okay.
Why are we drawing false equivalence? But that's fine. You've made your point. I want to also cut across right now back to Mr. Sanjay Hegde. Mr. Sanjay Hegde, do you agree with this argument? I also want to bring in Mr. Madan Lal. Sir, appreciate it of the note that. I'll cut across to Mr. Madan Lal first. Mr. Hegde, just give me, 5 minutes there. Mr. Madan Lal, you're from the squad of 1983. I would reckon all of you coming together, receiving a statement in support of our wrestlers, also advising them that their medal doesn't just belong to them, but the rest of the country, is a brave move, sir. Was it a unanimous decision to come in support of our wrestlers, Mr. Lal?
Yes, Preeti ji, just a minute. All the charges were made clear before the Supreme Court of India in a closed envelope, and Supreme Court has given clear instruction to the Delhi police that file an FIR and investigate.
Therefore, as an advocate in the Supreme Court, if these were the charges, this is a case that came to you, would you not consider this as an imminent arrest, yes or no?
Yeah, definitely, it's a unanimous decision, but taken by the 1983 team, a winning team. But like I entirely support this wrestler, whatever they are saying. And at the same time, once the FIR is registered, then the law will take its own course. Let the law, law of the country, judiciary will decide who is the guilty or not guilty. The other thing which I don't like about the one thing is, that most of the political parties entering on this agitation. Why? Because this is the agitation for a wrestler, not for other parties, a political party. So let the judiciary decide. FIR is there. Now we'll wait for the decision to come in.
So what was the intent behind the joint statement that was issued by your entire 83 squad?
We are concerned about them, We are definitely. I'm first. We all support them, It's
So
not that we are not supporting them. We are
wrestlers.
supporting them.
So what's the trigger point, sir? You are saying you are supporting the wrestlers.
Yeah, definitely I'm supporting the wrestler. But once the FIR is registered, then the judiciary will take a decision. The other thing which I don't like, this abhiyan jo इन्होंने चलाया हुआ है wrestler ने, सारी political parties enter कर गई अंदर. I can't understand. ये उनका है मुद्दा.
आप कह रहे हैं इनको पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, जी, जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं जो इससे जुड़ गई हैं, इनको नहीं जुड़ना चाहिए था.
बिल्कुल नहीं जुड़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये तो रेसलर का मुद्दा है. ये अब कल मैं सुन रहा हूँ कि कल या परसों ये भारत बंद कर रहे हैं. ये क्या बात है
सर? और जो ट्रिगर पॉइंट, जी मदन लाल जी, जो ट्रिगर पॉइंट था, ये क्या था कि आप लोगों ने ये जो स्टेटमेंट इशू किया है, इसमें ट्रिगर पॉइंट क्या था?
ट्रिगर पॉइंट ये था कि जैसे उनको हैंडल किया गया है, जैसे हैंडल किया गया, जैसे उनको जब वो एजिटेशन कर रहे थे, जब वो कर रहे थे, तो तब वो उनको जो हैंडल अच्छी तरह नहीं किया गया. इसलिए ये भी एक पॉइंट था. जैसे हमने देखा है कि जो जितने भी रेसलर थे, वो नीचे उनके ऊपर उन्होंने क्या रखा हुआ था, पाँव रखे हुए थे या जूते रखे थे, नीचे दबाया हुआ था, विच वी डिडंट लाइक इट. हमें अच्छा नहीं लगा और हमने डिसाइड किया 1983 टीम ने, वी डेफिनेटली, पहले भी हमने उनको सपोर्ट किया, अब भी हम उसको सपोर्ट करेंगे.